Tomémosle una foto a ella primero.
¿Ya? Sin miedo, sin miedo.
Yo sé si no tengo miedo. Okay, look. So this thing is only goes reverse, just like a golf cart. So reverse, neutral, and drive. You know that, right? Yeah. Okay, so turn it. Right now it's a neutral. You see the little light? It's a neutral. So right here is the gear. See the gear? So what you do is you press this right here. This is gonna be your brake. So remember that. Very important. This is the brake. You wanna stop? You grab onto this like a bicycle. Okay, you press that. Then to turn it on, this last button here, you're gonna press it. There, let go.